Today we're studying about the lysosome, the cellular organelle, that is lysosome. You see here, this is the structure of lysosome. This is two different types of lysosomes of the kidney cells of rat. The lysosomes are the membrane-bound vesicular bodies containing digestive enzymes. It was first described by Dewey in 1955. It usually formed from the Golgi bodies or the Golgi complex. They play important role in the intracellular and extracellular digestion of food. It found in all animal cells and plant cells, but they absent in bacterial cells. When cells are starved, these enzymes digest various cell parts as a source of energy. Few lysosomes occur in muscle cells. Then leukocytes, that is granulocytes, having rich lysosomes in that cells. Lysosomes are large in size. Then now study about the structure of lysosome. They are globular vacuolar structure which bounded by membrane made up of lipoproteins called unit membrane. The space enclosed by unit membrane is filled with the dense membrane, granular, homogeneous material containing many enzymes. They also in different size and shapes. They usually spherical in shape. Lysosome contain molecules of number of hydrolytic enzymes stored in crystalline or semi-crystalline forms. The membrane ruptures during oxygen deficiency and on exposure to the poisonous substances due to membrane breaks. The enzymes released and which destroying the cells. So it referred as the suicidal bags of cells. Lysosomes having two parts, that is outer limiting membrane and inner stroma with vacuole. Then types of lysosomes. There are four types of lysosomes, or it is also called as the polymorphism of lysosomes. The first type is called primary lysosomes. Second type is the secondary lysosomes, and third type is the residual bodies, and fourth type is the autophagosomes. So these are the four types: primary lysosomes, second lysosomes, residual bodies, and autophagosomes. So now we study about the one by one. The first one is the primary lysosome. It is also called a true lysosome, pure lysosome, or original lysosomes. The primary lysosomes are sac-like structure containing enzymes. They are formed from Golgi bodies or granular endoplasmic reticulum by budding process. These lysosomes containing hydrolytic enzymes. Okay, this is about the first type, that is primal lysosome. Second one is the secondary lysosome. These are also called phagosomes. When cell feeds on extracellular particles by phagocytosis, then its plasma membrane forms membrane bound small vesicles called phagosomes. The phagosome fuse with primary lysosomes and forms the secondary lysosomes. The secondary lysosomes secrete digest enzymes which digest the engulfed food. Okay, this is the second type, that is the second lysosomes. The remaining we study tomorrow. Thank you.